Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make lessons and lesson types favorites in your account on Eduaide AI. For example, to add them to your classes and to show them to your students or use them for your classes. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your account on Eduaide AI, click into generator here in the top left and select the lesson building tool. Now guys, if you click into the drop-down menu below, you will be given access to these lesson categories like planning, presenting, practice, questions, assessments, depending on what you would like to teach your students. And what you want to do is select one of these, and after that select a lesson type and simply go through that list and make the ones you would like to make favorites by simply clicking into that star icon here, and that is going to add the lesson type to your favorites list. Or alternatively, guys, you navigate to your history and simply assign lessons you created by using the lesson building tool here by providing prompts to the artificial intelligence to classes. So here in your list of lessons, you will see that column here, class, and you can assign your lessons to various classes. Like, for instance, let me remove that one here for demonstration purposes. So Newton's laws of physics, an engagement activity lesson I created using that lesson type, and by entering that example prompt here, let me add it to my physics class by selecting it from the drop-down menu. And there you go, and you can even, for example, rename these classes or delete them. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.